Hey there guys, I'm back again and today it is time to unbox the last February box, which is the Goodie Box. I know I'm late with this, I'm sorry. It's been really hectic over here, like today as well. I'm gonna film this and then I need to clean up because within an hour people are gonna come from the society of which these buildings belong to, because I'm renting this apartment, and they're gonna do some major changes to the building, and you know, it's going to be under construction, and my apartment is going to be under construction as well, and they're really late with this. I mean, for years they've done squat to these buildings. They were like slumlords, you know, they'd done nothing, but they took a lot of money, and now they're going to do stuff, but now it's actually already too late, and it's going to be such a big project, and it's not actually going to be for the better for me. So I have to mentally prepare for a really hard conversation that I'm going to have today, and it's just, guys, it's going to be a lot this spring, okay? A lot, because they're going to be building in my apartment for a month. Crazy. So I'm sorry, I'm very late with this box, and I'm afraid that I am going to be late with future boxes in April and March as well. So I'm just going to say it right now. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so this is the Applaud Yourself box. Okay. Again, the QR code. I don't have a phone here, so guys, I again don't have prices of these items. I don't know why it's so hard for the Goodie Box to just print a leaflet. I don't even have to have the picture, just the name of the item, the price. Write it by hand. I don't care. Just give me a price. I find it so stupid that I have to use a freaking QR code and whatever. Ugh. Okay, so this, there we go, is the inside of the box of February. I know it's March, but it's last month's box. Okay, so let's start off with something in a glass, a bottle. This is from Kinder Beauty. Calm, Kind Mist, Hydrating Setting Mist. For how to use. Shake well before each use. Okay. Spray onto clean skin. Oh, to prep or after makeup application to set and finish for a dewy glow. I did my makeup, but I am not wearing a setting spray. Oh, shoot. I'm opening it the wrong way. There we go. Okay, so I took off the cap. There we go. Okay. Now let's spritz in an X. Ooh, that feels really good. It smells of coconut. Yeah, that's like coconut. It smells very tropical, so this is definitely going to be perfect for summer. I'm sorry, but like I said, I don't have the price of the item, so I can't tell you how much it costs. But if you're really that interested, y'all know I mentioned this like a million times, look it up online. Okay, let's move on to something I just pulled the cap from. What is this? It's the vitamin C serum, okay, from eCooking, which is actually great. It has hyaluronic acid, it's a moisture boost. Might prickle and cause redness, not for sensitive skin. Okay, that's pretty cool. This is what it looks like. Okay, there we go. Did I even show you guys the setting mist? Oh my god, I'm not really sure if I showed you guys what it looked like, so I'm just gonna do it right now, and I'm sorry if I didn't. So there you go. Starting off messy, oh my god. Okay, but anyway, guys, I actually needed a vitamin C serum. Well, not necessarily vitamin C, just a serum in general. I really did kind of need that one, so really glad it's in here. Okay, let's move on to satisfy your urge for playful provocation. What? Tease Crave Lip Gloss. Ooh, in Beautiful Bad Habit. Is it an actual lip gloss? Or is it gonna... Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and hopefully you guys can see like the inside of the gloss. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh, that is so freaking pretty. Actually, I'm wearing lipstick, so I could put on a little bit of gloss. A little bit of gloss never hurt anyone. So, I'm using the viewfinder, but then again I have thick lips, so I have hard to miss, right? Oh, that feels really, really soft. I like it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Hopefully the camera will show up the actual color, but I don't think it will. It's really, really hard to see like the real life color. I love this. Definitely gonna use it. Finally, like not a freaking dry, matte down lip thing. Hate that. Okay, moving on to Terre de Mar. Or Mars, I'm not really sure. I think the S is in French, you don't pronounce that or something. This is an Immense Body Nourishing Milk. Oh my gosh, I just did this. I'm wearing gloss, and the gloss is stuck in my hair. That's great. Okay, anyway, this is what that looks like, and I'm not going to open it just yet because I have 1,000,001 body milks and lotions and butters and stuff as is, so I need to finish those first. Okay, and the last item in here is from Gold Texturizing Spray Wax. Didn't we already receive something like this? I'm not really sure whether it's the exact same thing. I don't think it was a wax, but I do remember receiving an item from Gold already, and honestly, not really knowing what the hell it was. So, Gold Texturizing Spray Wax is specially designed to create volume and structure to fine, thin, or lifeless hair. Directions: shake well, dispense want, amount, and want. What the hell is a dispense want amount? The heck? And distribute evenly into dry hair. Okay, I'm gonna have to play around with this, guys. Okay, that is it for this month's box. Now let me get rid of the dang gloss before I hurt anybody. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and guys, I have to say, I think this is a solid box. Is it worth 25 euros instead of 20? No, this could have easily been put in a box that was worth 20 euros, or not worth, I should say, the box that we paid 20 for. If we received these kind of boxes more often when we pay 20, I think a lot more people would have been subscribed to Goodiebox, because honestly, this box was really, really good. It really was. I enjoyed it. I'm pretty much going to keep every single thing in here. So I really enjoyed this box. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. What do you guys think of the last Goodiebox of February? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, a link down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!